Hey guys, what's up? It's Bonita, and I'm here with another tutorial. You guys have been requesting that I teach some top rocks things, so we're gonna jump into a top rock today called the Charlie Rock. It's one of my favorite top rock steps. I do it very often in a lot of my freestyle sets and things, so let's jump into the Charlie Rock. So basically, the first thing you wanna do is we're gonna just go over the steps, what the steps are. So you're gonna step with one foot, you're gonna tap with the other foot in front, then you're gonna step back with that same foot, and then you're gonna tap behind. All right, so you're just walking, like you're taking a step, walking forward, then you're gonna tap with that opposite foot, you're gonna step back, and then you're gonna tap back. All right, so that's really the basic steps. Let's do that again, and then we're, of course, gonna rock with it. Step, forward, step, back, step, forward, step, back. All right, so I'm starting, you could start with either foot, but that's basically gonna be the basic, most gist of it. You really want your arms, your arms should be grooving with you as you're rocking. And again, so I'm gonna turn to the side, you have this rock happening. So as I'm stepping forward and back, my body is really rocking. Good? All right, so we wanna make sure that we're not doing this. Ta, 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 ta. Don't do that. So make it real funky, loosen up that back, rock that body a lot, all right? With that, there's this little twist that we add to it, okay? So as I'm stepping, when I go to step with my front foot, I'm gonna twist my feet in. So my toes are gonna push out, and I'm gonna twist my heels into the center. Then I'm gonna step back, and then when I go to touch to the back, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna twist my toes, yeah? So kind of like I'm squishing a little bug, whatever, twist, right? So it's just this step, this twist, twist. So you wanna get this little step here, twist, 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 and then you just add that twist to the front, the step front, step back, all right? So let's add that together. Rock, twist, step. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, we step, we go boom, twist, boom, back, boom, twist, boom, back, boom, twist. There's your Charlie Rock. Boom, twist, boom, back. Nice. All right. So what else can I do with that step? Yes, you can keep it as basic as that, but you can do lots of things. So you can kick your feet, right? So you can step, kick your feet. That would be definitely more of a kid and play look, if you will. But same thing, if you wanted to like tap your foot, or you could tap it back, really pick up this foot. You can double up your steps, so I can twist to the front or triple or whatever you want. Step back, right? You can also just keep twisting and walking forward too. So if I wanted to go like boom, ta-ka-ta, boom, ta-ka-ta, boom, ta, boom, ta, right? That would just be a variation too of the step. So there's lots of things that you can do with it. Once you really have that basic doom, ha, boom, ha, doom, ha, then you can do lots of things. It doesn't always go forward either, right? Boom, ka, you can go to the side, to the back, same thing, right? Then take it forward, then take it back, then take it back, then take it back, right? So again, those are all Charlie Rock steps, just different variations, but the most basic and one that we're gonna see quite often in breaking is really just gonna be that front, doom, back, doom, front, doom, back, doom, front, doom, back, right? So there you go. There's your Charlie Rock. Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, share. More comments would be awesome. Give me some more feedback on what you guys want to learn. Thank you for those that have jumped in the comments and told me. I will definitely be listening and watching for that. Until next time, peace out.